Are you hungry though?
No. Yeah, I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too. I'm so hungry.
I want chips and chicken for me.
Lola? Lola. Do you sit next to Lola? Huh? Cuddles. Cuddles for Lola.
I'm going to take your jacket off so you can...
Birthday, Paris.
Not yet, Mommy.
Oh, not yet? Why?
Do my plate.
Oh, we have to wait for the plates.
Basically, the sensors pick up the speed and drop the speed accordingly.
Yeah. Okay. Daddy, stop touching me, Daddy.
I'm not touching Celine.
You're tickling me. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello.
Ayan. Happy Sunday, everyone. It is currently 11 something in the morning. And as you can see, nakabihis ang family again. Kasi, okay, show Tita and Tito your, what's up? What have we got?
Candy.
And, can you tell Tita and Tito where we're going?
Tita Karen.
See? Who?
Tita Karen.
Tita Karen? Halagi tita ni may mong lula na? Lula or tita?
Lula.
Lula.
Lula Karen.
So, today, first time nating idadrive ang ating car, ang ating bagong sasakyan, sa malayong lugar. So, kung hindi nyo pa alam, yung lola ni Paris, lola car niya, she is approximately 2 hours away from us. So, medyo malayo-layong drive yung gagawin natin, which is very interesting kasi, you know, first time natin i-drive yung sasakyan natin ng ganun kalayo. And also, it's good to see the in-laws kasi medyo matagal na rin kaming hindi nagkikita at hindi nila nakikita si Paris. So, ayan. Oh, tingnan nyo, may batang gusto na talagang lumabas. Doon, suknak. Uy, kingilad kita na ng bata nga magmanyanak.
I did it!
You did it?
Yeah.
Good job. I'm gonna make sure you can lock the... Did you go to the park before, Nak?
Yeah.
What did you see?
I see the pork.
You know, good Nak. You went to the park, so of course you've seen the park. Ayan na yung dalawa, oh. Naghihintay na. Come, let's show your outfit to Tita and Tito quickly, be. Ayush! Naka-Botswana ang ating baby girl. Wow! B. Show B. Show B. Here. Show your boots. Wow! Yeah. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, yung binili kong mga ipit. Ayan. Pakita ko rin sa inyo yung pa-outfit namin ni Daddy Mike today, guys. You remember this? Yes. Ito yung binili natin sa TK Maxx the other night with my bestie. And ayan. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Ala, colorful kami ni... Very colorful kami ni Daddy, oh. Naka-purple, naka-avocado green, at naka-pink. Ayan. So, this is what it looks like, diba? Sabi ko naman sa inyo, very stretchy siya, guys. Oh, tingnan nyo. Oh, kayang-kaya pa. Hanggang sa mga anak tayo, masusuot pa natin to. Ayan. Anyways, alis na tayo kasi 1 something pala yung usapan namin na lunch, guys. Meron akong jacket sa sasakyan, ha? Hindi ako pupunta ng Balarat ng ganito. Kasi, sobrang maginaw. Tingnan nyo na. Let me go. Ah, hanya day. Hanya day. We're going now.
Mama?
Huh? The park? Yeah, it's not finished yet. Careful.
It's finished, Mama.
Uy, that's driver's. Uy, that's mommy's taka. Okay.
What's that?
A few moments later.
Hi guys, time check tayo. It's now 1:40 ng hapon. And kakapark ko lang dito sa labas ng aming kakainan. Ayan. Oh my God. Sakit ng balakang ko, guys. Honey, are you okay there, Nak? Yeah. Yes, Paris. Hello. You didn't have a nap. Why? You're not tired? Okay. Are you hungry, though?
No. Yeah, I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too. I'm so hungry.
I want chips and chicken for me.
Oh, chips and chicken for you. Yeah, I think Lola Karen ordered for you already, honey. Yeah.
Is it done?
Hmm?
Done?
Done. Well, when we get there, the food is ready. Ayan. So, tumawag na pala yung mama ni Daddy Mike kanina, guys. Nag-ano na kung ano yung kakainin namin para pagdating doon ay ready na. Okay, let's get out now. Daddy's outside now. Shush! Yawning.
I'm sleepy.
Sure.
No.
Ayan na. Dyan lang sa corner, guys. Dyan namin pinark yung sasakyan. Welcome to Ballarat. It's the countryside of Melbourne. Yung dalawa. Iniwan na ako. My God. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, don't expect me to walk straight away. No. Sakit ka. Kayo ang akong lubot. And I'm super, ano na guys, warm. Luckily, hindi siya, ano talaga guys, hindi talaga siya sobrang maginaw. Na-surprise nga si Daddy Mike kasi normally, kapag pumupunta kami dito, sobrang ginaw talaga tapos umuulan. Ngayon, tingnan nyo. Daddy! Do we need mask? Are you sure? Okay. Na-surprise siya kasi hindi umuulan. Ayan. Pero, suot ko pa rin ang aking makapal na jacket. Wala akong pakialam. Ang ginaw pa rin kaya. So, yan. Ewan ko, ito ba yun? Ayan. So, it's a very old, ano lang guys, hotel. North Britain Hotel. Sobrang old guys.
Dad. Right?
Careful, anak ko. Hey, Lola is there. Here, this way, anak. This way. Wait, do we have... Go, Lola. This way, anak. This way. This way. See, there's Lola. Hi. Say hi, Lola. Hello. Do you sit next to Lola? Huh?
Hello. How are you? Oh, excellent.
Rolling. She's kicking so much in the car. We're getting there, honey.
You just went out and fought.
Cuddles for Lola.
I'm going to take your jacket off so you can.
What is that?
What?
This one?
Unless you had just like a little spoon.
Wait. I ate some, Mommy. Okay.
Oh, careful. Oh, it looks good.
Which way?
That way, Mom. You just park there, yeah. Paris and Lola. Can you see the car? Yay.
You going? Just a U-turn and straight back up.
What does it say?
Let's go.
Watch out. It says listen. You see that?
A few moments later.
He's riding his bike. See?
I have a bike machine.
Yeah, you do. Andito na kami guys sa bahay ng
Where are
kanyang
you
mama.
going to for, Mama?
What is it now?
My bicycle is far away.
No, it's just riding around. You got my phone? Ah, come on, sweetie. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys. Sobrang ano ng mama niya, no? Maliit din. Kaya, si Baby Paris. Is it a beautiful garden, Paris? So beautiful. Wow. Looks so nice. It's nice in here? Wow. Okay, you can open it now. Oh, you got a new chair. Is this new?
Yes.
Chair?
Yeah, we got the new cover sofa. We've
Oh,
got chairs, some leather chairs, bed on.
Yeah. Oh, it looks so good, Mom.
Yeah.
It looks like a display house.
Got the house.
Is that your cake?
Yeah, it's my cake. Yeah, I purchased my cake.
Mm.
Wow.
Yeah. Is it your birthday?
This is my birthday.
Oh, we have to sing happy birthday first.
Here.
Is that a plate?
No. Not plate.
Ooh.
That's not plate, honey.
Where's?
Is that a plate?
No.
Ah, do you want to grab the plate, Mum?
Yeah, I've got the plate.
I'm just gonna try this chocolate.
Wait for the plate first.
I wanna happy birthday to me.
Okay, we'll sing happy birthday to you.
Not yet, Daddy.
Do you want a little plate or a big one?
We'll just, what do you reckon?
What for? Who's it for?
Everyone?
I just want to put them all down.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, maybe just have little plates.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Paris.
Not yet, Mommy.
Oh, not yet? Why?
Do my plate.
Oh, we have to wait for the plates.
What's that up there?
Chocolate, so yummy.
I just gonna try this one. Now I will eat chocolate.
My tea is now so cold.
Emma, yummy,
Alam
yummy.
niyo guys, hindi ko na-realize yung aking damit at ang aking kuko ay same kuko. Kuko ay the same kulay.
For lunch for tomorrow.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Paris. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Okay, eat your cake now.
Are you okay?
Guys, time check tayo. It is now... Just checking.
No, my battery's dead.
Dead. It's approximately 9 o'clock ng gabi ngayon. Kakauwi lang namin, guys. Hi, Daddy. How are you loving your hair?
Yeah, it's good. Not as much as I'm loving this muffin.
Kumakain ng muffin, guys. Kakapasok lang talaga namin and si Baby Paris, diretso agad sa kanyang, laruan from... Who gave you this na? Anong Tita Karen?
Lola Karen.
Lola Karen, Tita Karen. Tingnan nyo guys, sobrang dungis ng ating baby girl kasi kumain while doon. Hindi kami nagdala ng extra. Baby, show me. Wow.
You can hear them say.
Bulingitan mo na ko eh. Ay, shush!
You can take the water
Bulingit. So, yung drive pala, guys, mga ano lang talaga, 1 hour and 50 minutes, ganun. So, sumakit yung balakang ni mami nyo, guys. Uy, grabe. But, give you an update about the car. So, that's the first time that we took the car for a long drive. Yung straight talaga na long drive, na 2 hours. It was really good. I enjoyed driving it, Daddy. Yeah. It was very, easy. And also, there's one thing that I mentioned to Daddy Mike. Kasi, that car's got cruise control and all. So, yung old car naman natin, meron din siyang cruise control. But this one is different because, ano siya guys, like parang safety na safety talaga yung car na yan. Kasi, for example, nag-cruise control ako, tapos sinet ko siya ng 110 kilometers an hour. Kasi, mostly, papunta doon sa mama ni Daddy Mike. 110 kilometers per hour yung dagan sa sakyanan. And then, siguro nakakangalay din sa paa kapag yung paa mo ay always nasa accelerator. So, it's you know, very handy na meron kang cruise control. So I use the cruise control, guys, 110, nakaset sa 110. And then when there's a car in front of me, yung car talaga yung kusang nag-slow down. How do you explain it, Daddy? Explain it, Daddy.
So if you're driving 110 and then you're approaching a car and you're getting too close, the car will the sensors will pick that up and it will automatically slow down to about 110. Alternatively, once you get past that car or behind the car, well, if you get past the car, it'll start driving faster again, back to 110.
Yeah.
So it basically, the sensors pick up the speed and drop the speed accordingly.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for your explanation. Thank you for your explanation.
No problems.
Yeah. No, but that's good. I think Mom liked it. I think she liked the car.
Yeah.
Yeah. She likes the car and kaka-message lang pala niya. Sabi niya, love catching up with you. Daddy, stop touching me, Daddy.
I'm touching Celine.
You're tickling me.
I'm touching Celine. Just making sure the tunnel is clear.
But yeah, yun na yun, guys. Ngayon, yung gagawin namin. What are you gonna do now, Daddy?
Go to bed so I can go to gym in the morning.
Yeah.
And then go to
So,
work.
hindi pa ako pupunta sa guys. Alam nyo, last week ko na sa work. This week.
Yeah. Did you see that? How quickly did I fall asleep?
Yeah. Sabi pa ni Daddy Mike sa sasakyan, guys. Sabi niya, hindi daw siya nakakatulog sa sasakyan. Sabi ko, just try. Kasi alam ko, when we're at home, he just falls asleep. Kahit na anong position niya, guys. Like, he falls asleep really quickly. So, sa sasakyan, he said, like, I might not be able to. He's not used to it. But then, like, guys, sabi ko, no, you can go to sleep kasi it's nighttime, music's on and all that. Sabi, siya, tawag ito, very sleepy. Guys, 2 seconds. Pagtingin ko sa kanya, gumaganon na siya.
How did I wake myself up?
Nagising siya because sa sa snore niya. Sobrang lakas ng nagising siya. Sana all nakakatulog sa sasakyan, no? Ang driver hindi pwedeng matulog.
Me and Paris.
Yeah, Paris and then yung bike. Yan. So yung gagawin ko pala tonight, guys, before ako matutulog, I have to do my yung list ko nga. Remember kasi nga last week ko na sa work, I need to do all like OneNote para sa mga outstanding emails ko, yung mga orders na on hold pa siya, yung dahilan, yung mga tasks na ginagawa ko and how I do them. Kailangan ko yung gawin, guys, para sometime this week i-discuss namin ng manager ko and then I'll be ready to leave by Friday. That's it for mommy. Bye-bye. But yeah, we will just do a quick shout out before we end the vlog now, guys, because we have to get this bullying it ready. Oh,
shout out to Rosalia, the Central.
Daddy, can you do the shout out for me, please? I love it when you do my shout out.
Shout out to Rosalia Del Castro. Shout out to Tesita, Mama.
Patakarang pangalan.
Shout out to Jason Villanueva.
Start from there, like the top. This one. Just the name, see?
Sure.
All the...
Shout out to Erlinda Lanik. Janzi Pinay. I've seen you a million times.
Tell me if there's any.
Alina Rosales. That's a million.
That's Rosales. It's not Rosales, Bob. Can you read it properly?
Rosales.
Yep.
Is she related to Jericho?
That's Rosales. Kulungo. Okay. Don't read it twice. Change.
Christina Alpanan Vlog. Lids. Shout out to AGE Vlog. Shout out to Claire Gies Silokanos. That's a Greek name.
Yeah, probably married to a Greek
There you go.
guy.
Shout out to Novero Yoli. Shout out to Amelita Balje. Shout out to Belen de Jesus. Shout out to Saura Ui.
Just read the name, Bob. Stop saying shout out.
Shout out to Edena Caballero. Gracia's channel. Calvin Boringa. Who's that guy? Lolita Rivera. Monica Abrigos. Nanita Del Rosario. Karen Joyce Ubas. Mummy Jean. Is it Jean?
Vlogs. Read
Vlogs?
the whole thing, Bob.
Sorry, I don't.
Bagan.
Jocelyn Passon. Efigenia Zarate. Lovely
To hear.
Dogamiro. Mercy Narito. Joan Ambre. Emelita Gonzalez. And last but not least, Hilaska.
Hiraska. Ayan. So, yan na guys, ang ating shout out for today. And na natin ang vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed our vlog for today. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Ali, na. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. If you like it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Okay, bye-bye.